Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about Spring Framework Setter Injection demo. In this example, you will learn how to set a bean property via setter injection. Let's see the code. So in the main method, I have the first line is I'm creating a application context using class path XML application context. So I am trying to load this XML file. Let's look at this XML file. If you see this XML file, it has one bean definition in it. It has ID and the corresponding class that it has to create, the Spring has to create. So I've given the entire path for the class that Spring has to create, and three properties. Spring will set these properties using the setter method. If you go to this class, you have three properties and you have corresponding setter methods. So what will happen is when this XML file is loaded by the Spring container, it will try to set these values using setter method in this class. Again, I want to repeat, when Spring try to create this object, it will call setter methods in this class and it will pass these three values and it will create the object. So when I get the user object from the Spring container, it will have all these three values in it. So let's see how exactly it works. So I'm going to start the debugging now. So the first line is very important. It's going to load the XML file and it's going to create the user object by setting all the parameters. You see here, loading XML bean definitions. So now if you see, I didn't call the setter method, it is called by the Spring container. So all these three values that you mentioned in this XML file, using setter method, it will be set in this user object. So set username, set age and set country. Now if you see, I'm going to call the container, can you give me this bean using the user ID. Now I have the user with all these three values set by the container. Okay, so we got our complete object from the container. So this is called as setter injection. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.